Welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking a peek into a lively classroom where these young artists are exploring the colorful world of clay modeling. Watch as they warm up their hands by rolling the clay into long, thin snakes. It's a super fun activity that is also fantastic for developing their fine motor skills. With a little guidance from their teacher and some handy tools like mini rolling pins, their ideas start taking shape. The kids are incredibly focused, learning how to mold and detail their clay step by step. Next up is a beautiful nature scene. Using bright blue clay for the water, they work together to build a little pond, carefully lining the edges with gray clay stones and adding tiny green plants. Just look at how proud he is to show off the finished masterpiece. Now it is time for a mini art show. The creativity here is just wonderful. We have a colorful, smiling caterpillar, a perfect little orange pumpkin, bunches of grapes and cherries, and even the cutest pair of tiny clay flip-flops. Every child has brought their own unique vision to life. For their next group project, they are mixing nature with art. Using a pot of dry twigs, the kids eagerly stick brightly colored clay bowls onto the tips of the branches. In just a few minutes, they completely transform the bare sticks into a vibrant, magical tree. Teamwork makes the dream work. What an amazing day of creativity and fun. From adorable animals like lions, elephants, and a smiling starfish, to beautiful flowers and healthy veggies, these kids showed us just how far your imagination can take you with a bit of clay. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more fun craft ideas, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.